In the small town of Ferndale, Washington, a giant is at work. This giant is Samson Rope, a 140-year-old company that many professionals look to get the job done right. Samson makes ropes that NASA trusts, ropes that the shipping industry depends on, and ropes arborists around the globe reach for as lifelines. Samson calls itself the strongest name in rope. As part of its educational webinar series, treestuff.com visited Samson's factory to give arborists an exclusive inside look into how Samson ropes are designed, made, and tested.
We'll use this to determine how well its internal abrasion characteristics are.
This is a behind-the-scenes glance of the making of this highly successful webinar, already seen by hundreds of arborists in just a short time. The team from Samson, consisting of Gavin McWilliams, Greg Majgai, Kevin Stack, and John Downs, conducted the tour, showed us the testing, and answered questions from viewers.
And the cover is graded.
The machines on the factory floor work together to perform their specific task. The choreography of these 32 spools is precise, a well-timed dance to braid a masterpiece. So the next time you sling a rope, you may realize there's a lot to it, because Samson knows your life and your rig depend on it. To watch this webinar, head to the Tree Stuff channel on YouTube and look for online webinars.